Wanted to eat something crunchy and crispy, but at the same time it should be very easy to make? Then try this party appetizer or snack or tea time snack, paper samosa, or you can call Patti Samosa, and which is very easy. So let's start. First we're going to make the stuffing. For the stuffing I'm going to heat 1 teaspoon of oil. To that I'm adding crushed coriander seeds, cumin seeds and fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon each, and then I'm going to fry for a few seconds. And here I have crushed ginger and green chilies chopped. I'm going to saute that for about few minutes. Add 1/4 cup of a finely chopped onion, and we are going to cook this until it's a little bit soft and changes its color. Now we are going to add some veggies like green peas, carrots and corn, and we are going to cook until they are nice and tender. So they are nicely cooked. Now I'm going to add 1 boiled potato which I have mashed. So I'm going to mix it. Now add salt as per taste, red chili powder, garam masala powder and also chaat masala. This gives a really nice flavor and it's chatpata. So I'm going to mix everything with the masher so that it's kind of very well combined. So it's nicely mixed. Now I'm going to turn off the heat and our filling or stuffing is ready. Beautiful, isn't it? It looks very colorful and it's very delicious too. This is very easy to prepare. So our stuffing is done. Now let's take it out in a bowl and I'm going to set it aside to cool a little bit. Now here I have some pastry sheets. This is a spring roll pastry which is thin like paper. So I'm going to take it out, 1 pastry sheet, and I'm going to divide it into 3 parts equally. So this is how I do it, and then slice it off. So I get 3 equal patti. That's what it's called, Patti Samosa. Now moisten with a little bit of water so that it's easily bended. Now I'm going to take the stuffing, put it in one side of the strip, and then we are going to fold it. So I'm going to make a triangle like this, and then I have prepared a slurry which is a flour and water mixture so that it is sticky and the corners are very well sealed. So now I'm going to make another triangle like this, and then roll it in another triangle, and now I apply the slurry so that it's nice and sticky, and then make a triangle like this, and then finally I'm going to apply the slurry on the last flap and then seal it. So here our nice triangle shape or patti samosa is done. Now I'm going to prepare the rest of the paper samosas same way. Now we are going to fry this, so I heat up the oil. We want to keep the temperature high, so fry it until they are nice and golden. Now I'm going to flip while they are frying. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe my channel. I upload new videos every week. And a big thank you for those who are already with me and subscribe to my channel. So how beautiful it looks. It's getting that golden color. Now I'm going to take it out on a kitchen paper towel to drain the excess oil. And here our paper samosa or patti samosa are ready, and it's perfectly crisp, crunchy and very tasty. Try it today and leave me your comments below and hit that like button, and I'll see you guys next time with another simple recipe. Till then, happy eating. Bye bye.